In this video, I'll show you how to use chain of thought in Claude AI. This is a simple way to get Claude to break down its reasoning more clearly when solving a problem or explaining something. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt that asks Claude to think step by step. For example, I might type, "Solve this math problem step by step and explain each part clearly." After typing my prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will then generate a response that breaks the task into smaller parts, making it easier to follow. I can use this same method for other tasks too, like writing, planning, or problem solving. For example, I could ask, "Analyze this problem step by step," or "Explain your reasoning in simple steps." This is helpful when I want a more detailed answer instead of a short final response. If the explanation is still too brief, I can ask a follow-up prompt like, "Break this down even more simply," or "Show each step in order," and that's it. That's how I use chain of thought style prompting in Claude AI to get clearer, more detailed responses. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.